Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Creality Ender3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender3 series continues to impress with its exceptional value proposition. The Ender3 V3 SE is no exception and stands out as the best 3D printer under $200. Its ease of use and features are great for beginners, specifically the strain gauge sensor that comes with the printer. With this sensor, setting the Z offset manually is no longer necessary. When you combine this with the CR Touch bed leveling probe, the V3 SE provides smooth and flawless initial layer prints. Creality has also endowed the V3 SE with a dual Z-axis setup. It reduces the likelihood of the X-axis sagging and contributes to better print quality. It's also worth mentioning that the linear rods on the Y-axis are an excellent upgrade, especially for a printer that costs less than $200. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra Go. Anycubic is a well-known 3D printing brand for designing some of the best printers on a budget. The Anycubic Kobra Go is their entry-level 3D printer from the Anycubic Kobra series, and it's intended for first-time 3D printer users. Like the Ender3 Neo, the Kobra Go also has an auto bed leveling sensor. It is an inductive probe, however, meaning it only works well with metal print beds. However, the Kobra Go features a flexible pay-coated metal printing bed that gives great performance with minimal effort. Anycubic has further included small yet useful features such as belt tensioners, a filament run-out sensor, and a resume printing function on the Kobra Go. These features are good to see in 3D printers under $200 and improve the overall user experience of the machine. Number 3. Creality Ender3 Neo. Creality's latest Neo lineup of printers offers a great deal of useful features at a low price. The baseline Ender3 Neo retains many elements of the first generation Ender3 3D printer while improving on many core functionalities of its predecessor. The inclusion of an automatic bed leveling sensor is an excellent and useful upgrade in the Ender3 Neo. Creality has installed its CR Touch probe that removes the need for manual intervention in the bed leveling process. The automatic bed leveling gives you perfect first layer quality along with improved print adhesion. For effective heat dissipation, the hot end assembly now has an improved heat sink. In combination with the new full metal extruder, this means better extrusion performance and long-lasting durability. Number 4. Voxelab Aquilo X2. The Voxelab Aquilo X2 is an incrementally minor upgrade over its predecessor and comes with some nifty features that improve your 3D printing experience. For starters, this version comes with a filament sensor as well as a carrying handle on the top horizontal extrusion. The team at Voxelab has also included a 32-bit motherboard with TMC 2208 stepper motor drivers. This combination results in faster processing and a more silent 3D printing operation. As the X2 is entirely open source, you can use its 32-bit motherboard to install Marlin 2.0 firmware and get additional firmware features on a budget. Voxelab also offers some of its firmware options that include support for a touch probe and thermal runaway protection. In addition, you can find several 3D printed upgrades and mods for the printer that are designed to extend the usability of the Aquilo X2.